keep that until you die. Don't ever make a decision more important than the consequence. Because decisions give birth to consequences. People normally say, if you make a decision, you got to live with it. That is not true. You don't live with the decision because that happens in one moment. You live with the consequences. So what you must do before you make any decision in life is don't study the decision. Make sure you exhaust every possible means to study the consequences. Do your research, get information, check all the alternatives, study the options, find out historical data, check those who already made that decision, and read their life, study their life, find out everything before you make a decision. So my question is it lawful to ask someone to make a decision without all the information as much as possible about the consequences? In my view, this is illegal and irresponsible. I want to caution my words for myself. I am not against decisions. But I am against you asking me to make it without giving me the information. Not just about the decision, but the consequences. And I mean, give me real information so I could be responsible and objective. Here's why. Once you have decided that you can live with consequences, decisions are easy. So I think, nationally speaking, we are irresponsible at the moment in asking people who understand nothing about the consequences to make a decision. I therefore repeat my recommendation. We need to postpone and delay until the people have all the decisions and the consequences. Number 3, it is irresponsible for leaders to transfer the burden of decisions to the followers that they are supposed to make. I'm going to repeat this. This is very important. It is irresponsible for leaders to transfer the burden of a decision to the followers that the leaders or the leader should make. It's like me being a parent and telling the kids, how should I run the house? It doesn't work that way. Bahamas Faith Ministries, an international third world leadership association, and Twyler and ILTI and MMI and DDIC and all of our companies, I'm the guy at the top. I will listen to advice. I will seek the wisdom of collective knowledge. I will listen to all sides, but in the end, I have to take the responsibility for all decisions in this organization. You know, it's interesting that Adam never picked a fruit. Adam never gave anyone a fruit. Adam never made anyone eat a fruit. And yet, when everything was over, God went directly to him. See, if I want to blame you for what happens, all I have to do is let you make the decision. Just in case things don't work out, I could always say, you decided that. That is not leadership. That is irresponsible ability as a leader. Listen. We need leaders who are bold enough either to implement the law, apply the law, impose the law, or make a decision themselves